Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bakit po? Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po, Sir Raymond, Sir
Wala siyang hawak na ano.
Sir Marcos, and Eduardo.
Happy birthday, Maymay. After 2 hours.
Edward!
Wow.
Si Edward ang naglo!
Bakit you wish? You wish?
Hindi na, mawala na.
Okay, ulit.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Si Edward kasi sir eh.
Okay na kasi pumigil. May happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
to you.
Thank you mga be, thank you Sir Marcos, thank you Sir Raymond. Edward.
Thank you, Edward. Thank you, Edward.
And you thought we were here because we're gonna get pictures.